Hey everybody, Stuart with Wine on the Dime, and today is the penultimate review of this box. That's right, this is the Bougie Wine Advent Calendar box, and today we're doing number 11. Finally, an easy one. Well, at least opening that. Let's see if we can get it out. It happened magically, and wow, this is the first 2018. This is some Merlot. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, this is Stuart with Wine on the Dime, and today I'm reviewing the Bougie Wines 2018 Merlot from Lodi, California. It is 13.8% alcohol by volume, and it is part of this Wine Advent Calendar box that I bought myself because I want content for the channel. And I've never done one of these before. I thought it'd be fun, and maybe some of the wines would be good. In some cases they are. In some cases the wines are bad. In most cases they're okay. But let's go ahead and get to this specific wine. So first of all, screw top. +1. It's keeping in tradition with the rest of the Bougie wines and having an impossible screw top. Pretty sure by the end of this month I am going to have calluses on my hands I did not know I could get from opening wine bottles. So let's take a look at this wine. From a color standpoint, you are medium ruby, no artifacts, no cloudiness. On the nose, getting blackberry, black cherry, a little bit of a black currant thing going on here, vanilla, and clove. However, you don't have the same type of smell as some of the other red wines. You're a little bit more subdued. You don't smell as jammy. I don't know. Well, I mean, let's get to the taste. So, you taste like Merlot, but not like an outstanding Merlot, or even a very good Merlot. I'm getting a lot of those dark fruit elements. I'm getting a lot of that slightly zingy acid. Body is weaker than I thought it would be, or than I think it should be, I should maybe say. Yeah, I mean, it's like a medium minus body, slightly watery, medium intensity on the nose and palate, medium plus acid. It does have a little bit of acid, but I mean, overall, I'm just not too enthused by this wine. Tannins, medium minus tannins. Yeah, it's kind of this funky middle ground of wanting to be a Merlot, but then also being like a probably quickly, cheaply made Merlot for mass consumption in a box that people will buy, maybe, depending on how my ultimate review ends up on this. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get to the blick. Balance, you're halfway in balance. I need more body. I need more body. I like the acid. I like the alcohol. I like everything that's there. I need more body for everything else. In terms of length, medium finish, 0.5 point. Intensity, medium on the nose, medium on the palate, 0.5 point. And complexity, I am getting the primary fruit. I am getting the secondary. I'll give you 0.5 point there. In the end, this ends up being good. This is on par with some of the wines that I've had that are around the $8 mark. If I was to buy this on its own, I would not spend $12 on this. 7, 8, yeah, that's probably about the right price point. In the end, all this stuff is kind of mishmashed around, and you don't really know how much things cost to make and other stuff, but it's not bad. It's not outstanding. That's why it's good. Anyway, this has been Stuart with Wine on the Dime. If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have you had the Bougie Wines 2018 Merlot in their Advent Calendar box or elsewhere? I'd be interested to know if you have. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you again soon with another episode from Wine on the Dime.